In this guide, we're going over how to level up fast here in Grow a Garden 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but first things first, what you want to do is make your way over to your garden, and you want to just focus on harvesting all of your plants first. You're going to start with some smaller plants like strawberries, but these are good because they continuously keep on growing, but go through once they're grown and you want to harvest them. We'll also go ahead and grab our giant bamboo here right now as well. And then to actually go ahead and harvest it, you want to hit sell and then go to this guy and just sell your entire inventory, and you'll get your payment right here, which it looks like was about 25k for us. Once you go ahead and have your money, go to the seed shop right here and you want to buy more seeds. You want to focus on the most expensive thing that you can purchase at a time, which for me would be this pineapple right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get 2 of those pineapples, and I'm also going to get a cactus as well. You know what, while we're at it, we'll go ahead and get another apple, right? Then make your way back to the garden and you want to go ahead and plant your plants. So we'll put another apple tree right next to this one. Boom, right there. We'll go ahead and get those bamboo, place them right over here. So that's going to be 1. And then these pineapple seeds will go ahead and place right next to it, just like so. You want to keep this somewhat organized because there's going to be some stuff that you don't really need to sell. So I like to kind of organize it like this, but you just got to keep repeating this process. Just harvest, sell, buy more, harvest, sell, and the process just keeps continuing from there. So with the full process, if you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.